Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you're fine at home and doing really well at home. So, today we are going to start with a new book that is Technology and Computers Global Meet Year 1. So, we're going to start with the first book of computers and we are going to start with the first unit that is External Parts of Computers. External parts of computers are those parts of computers which you can see with your naked eyes, which you can see in the front of your computer. For example, you can see monitor, you can see CPU, you can see printer, keyboard, then CPU, but you don't know which internal parts are there. You can see the body from the outside, you can see the outer layer, but you can't see inside where which wire is going which side, which motherboard is there, which part are there in the particular position or of the CPU, computer, monitor, keyboard, mouse. So the external parts are monitor, CPU, keyboard, CPU, mouse, and printers or speakers. Getting this point? So all these are the external parts of the computer. So you can see on page number 4, please take out page number 4. A computer is a system of many devices working in coordination. So a computer is a proper system. A computer is a proper system of many device means we need monitor, we need keyboard, we need CPU. So we need all these devices to make one computer. So there are five main components to make one computer. So the first component is CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, speakers, or you can say printer also. Fine. So all these are the external parts of computer. The parts of a computer system which can be touched or seen are collectively called the hardwares. जो आप देख सकते हो, you can touch it, you can see it, वो क्या है? Hardware. They are the hardware. So you're going to learn the definition of hardware. So this is the definition of a hardware, a part of a computer system which can be seen and touched, collectively called as hardware. Collectively called as hardware. Getting this point? So you can touch your screen, you can touch the keyboard, you can touch CPU, you can touch mouse. All these are hardware and the external part of the computer. Okay, so now we are going to do, I'm going to show you the slides of external parts of computer. We are going to revise what are the external parts of the computer, and we are going to elaborate those parts in our further classes. Fine, but we are going to see which parts does what and why they are the external parts, hardware of the computer. So let's start with the work. Please concentrate on the screen. So, a computer is an electronic device that manipulates the information or data. Why it is known as electronic device? What is electronic device? Electronic devices are those devices which work with the electricity, with the help of electricity. When there will be no electricity, no work. Okay, you AC will work with the help of electricity. Your refrigerator, your television, your mobile phones, your laptops, your computer, all these are electronic devices. Okay, but the computer is also electronic device that manipulates the information and data, and it has the ability to store the information in itself. Getting this point? Then the parts of desktop computer, the external parts of desktop computer, monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, and speaker. So you're going to revise the definition of monitor. Monitor is the output device that displays the information in pictorial form. So you can touch the monitor. Yes, you can see monitor, you can touch monitor. So it is the external part and hardware. It's external part and hardware. Excuse me. A computer keyboard is an input device. It's an input device that allows a person to enter a letter, number, and symbols. So you have learned about the QWERTY keyboard. Yes or no? Yes, you have learned about the QWERTY keyboard. You have learned all the keys on the keyboard. Remember? So all those keys help us to type anything on the computer. Then we have a computer mouse. You can touch mouse. Without touch, we can't work with a mouse. So we need to hold that mouse in our hand to take to move the pointer on the screen. So that, see, I'm moving my pointer on the screen. How I'm moving my pointer on the screen? With the help of the mouse, or you can say trackpad. Then we have a CPU, that is a central processing unit. So the CPU is a primary component of the computer. It's a brain of the computer. So without a brain, you can't work. So CPU helps to connect each and every device. We have just read the definition in a book that a computer is a system of many devices working in a coordination. So this coordination is done by the CPU. Fine. For example, you have lots of parts in your body. You have hands, legs, mouth, eyes, nose. All these parts are coordinated by your brain. Similarly, CPU also coordinate all these parts. CPU also coordinates all these parts. The way the brain coordinates, similarly, CPU also coordinates between all the parts of the computer, whether it's external, whether it's internal. Okay, whether it's external, whether it's internal, your external parts are also coordinated by brain, your internal part are also coordinated by the brain. Okay, that you have to eat now your tummy will work, it will digest your food. Fine. So now you have to breathe, your lungs will breathe, heart is going to pump the blood. So heart, lungs, your stomach, all these are internal parts. External parts are hand, eyes, nose, mouth, your legs, all these are the external parts. Similarly, computer also has the external parts and internal parts. So the external parts are keyboard, CPU and mouse, speakers or printers. Getting this point? So come on page number 4. External parts of computer, you know all these parts. So this one is printer. So you're going to write printer is on number 3. So you're going to write 3 here. Printer is on number 3. So you're going to write 3 here. This is monitor. Monitor is on first number. So you will put 1 here. You will trace this 1. Then we have this. What is this? This is a CPU or a system unit. So you will take this system unit and you will write 4 here. This is a speaker. So you will write 6 here. This is a keyboard. You will write 2 here. And this is a mouse. That is 5. So in this particular manner, you're going to fill all the blanks. Then you're going to learn the definition of hardware, and you should know a computer is a system of many devices working in coordination. So your exam, your paper will come from the points written here. So you have to take all these points. You have to learn these points. It can be like dash is a system of many devices working in coordination. So in dash you will write a computer. Okay. So in this particular manner you will get your filling the blanks, match the columns, or for example write the definition of hardware. So you should know the definition of hardware. The parts of computer system which can be seen and touched are called hardware. Getting this point? So in this way you're going to learn and do page number 4. going to learn and do page number 4. Now please take out your diaries and mention the date. So, after mentioning the date in your diaries, what you're going to do, you're going to write the homework in the computer block. So, learn and do page number 4. So, do complete your work. In next class, we are going to elaborate about the monitors and system unit. Okay? So, till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.